Okay. Hi, my name is Camden, and I chose to do my floral history project on Australia. This is the map of Australia. It's right next to the Indian Ocean, and some of its neighboring countries are Papua New Guinea, which is right here. And then the Philippines are right there also, the Philippine Islands. For cultural and influence, I chose to study the Waratah flower. It's the native flower to the Australian region, and it really well suits their climate. It's also known for its vibrant blooms, and it's a sturdy plant that is grown there because it's grown with harsh environments, such as it gets really hot in Australia and it has low rainfall, so it's also adaptable to hot weather and really wet weather. And it's also used as a very decorative purpose. And they're like, I'll zoom in. It's a very spiky plant, but I think they're really pretty. And then some everyday flowers. These are the most common flowers that I found to be grown just like if you were to go on a hike, these are the flowers that you would see. First is the wattle flower, and it's the national floral emblem. It's this yellow one. And then the bottle brush flower is this one right here, and it looks like it would be like a bottle brush like cleaner, so that's why it got its name. And it's commonly grown and it attracts like wildlife in Australia. And then this poisonous plant right here, it's also a flower, but it's like grown on like a tree. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name because it's a super long name, but it has poisonous seeds because of their toxic compounds, and the little yellow parts are the really toxic seeds that grow inside of them. And then here are some exotic flowers. These are some flowers that you might not see every day but are still grown there. The first one is this one. It's called the Banksia, and it's artistic bloom that has a widely commercial use in the floral industry. It's usually not really used in everyday like arrangements, but it can be used in like funerals and stuff. Next is this one. It's called the kangaroo paw, and its flower is the floral emblem of the Western Australia, so it's mostly grown in Western Australia. And then the desert pea is known for its eye-catching blood red petals, each with a black seed in the center right there. And then it's most commonly shown color for these exotic flowers are red. So the exotic flowers that are mostly grown in Australia are red. So their color comes from that. And that's what the color is known for. Now I'm going to talk about my floral shop and things that would catch me in business. So for holidays, just like America, Valentine's Day is the most common holiday that uses flowers in Australia. It mostly uses red roses just because they symbolize love and purity. Emphasizes love and romance. Florists usually are really busy preparing these beautiful red rose bouquets in arrangements for people to give to their gift for their loved ones and their significant others. And then I also found these cute photos from this floral shop that I found on their website. And then it says their motto is Happy Valentine's Day from the Down Under, because they're really popular in Valentine's Day. And these are some of the pictures that I found, which I thought were really cute. So now I'm going to talk about a really famous festival that happens in Australia, and it happens once a year. It's called the Floral Festival, and it's mostly just flowers across this big petal field, and there's like some Ferris wheels and food that can be there as well. And it's a vibrant celebration in the springtime featuring stunning floral displays, entertainment, and cultural events, but it's usually known for the tulips in this big walk strip in the front of the festival. Here's another picture. It has a bunch of like different variety of colors, and there's many different types of flowers, and they vary in size and scale of these the patches that are grown there, because some of them are super tiny, and like this one, it's just like a long strip, but these ones are like huge strips of them. Especially like that one goes down the whole runway. And the festival also offers workshops and activities for gardening enthusiasts and just everyday families that could attend to just look at their beauty. Lastly is I'm going to talk about marriage and flowers that are mostly used in weddings. So the Pro Teas they're these big ones, and they're really exotic. They're not like other countries that use it, like especially in America. We don't really use them. And they're popular in Australian weddings because they are native to the country and they represent the unique and beauty of Australia, because in Australia it's mostly grown like exotic flowers that you won't see mostly in America or in other places in the world. And they add a touch of local charm and create a sense of connection to the natural surroundings in Australia. So a lot of brides like to use it to like emphasize where they have grown up. So yeah. And that's it. Thank you.